Making money in meme coins is easy if you actually follow the rules. Most people go broke because they FOMO, overtrade, and never take profits. So here are my 5 rules you need to follow if you want to stay profitable and not blow your back. So let's get right into it. Number 1 is simple. Take profits. Go risk-free at 100% profit. This is my golden rule. Once you're up 100%, take your initial investment out. Now you're risk-free and playing with house money. Most people go broke because they never take profits and watch their gains just disappear. Don't be like them. Secure that back. Number 2 is just patience. Don't gamble out of boredom. Not every coin is gonna be your next 100x. If you're just aping into random plays because you're bored, you're burning money. Wait for the right setup, the right play, and don't force trades. Stop trying to make something pump just because you bought it. Alright guys, now I'm gonna give you another next level advice. Only trade when the US is awake. The best volume is when the US traders are active. If you're trading during dead hours, you're just stuck in a slow, choppy market that barely moves. You want real pumps and exit. Trade when the money is flowing. And number 4 is never FOMO. There will always be another trade. If you miss a pump, move on. There will always be another coin, another 10x, another 100x, another opportunity. The second you start chasing pumps, you're just exit liquidity. For smarter traders, let it go and wait for the next play. This one, I've lost 100 Solana in a day because I did it. So please don't do this. It's called revenge trading. If you take a lose, do not try to win it back instantly on a random coin, you know. This is just gambling. This is how people spiral. You start overtrading, take worse entries, and lose even more money. If a trade goes bad, sometimes it's just best to close the charts and go outside, touch some grass, and reset. Because the market isn't going anywhere. Break even one rule and you will start losing. Break 2 rules and you will lose even faster. Break them all and congrats, you're just liquidated. Follow these rules, stay disciplined, and actually make money in meme coins. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this helps you.